Hello and welcome to Garden Pond Recreations. I'm about to show you exactly how you can have crystal clear water just as you see here in this video, and it's just a few simple steps and a lot easier than what you may think. So for complete beginners, you would start out by purchasing a pond at your local store somewhere like Lowe's or Home Depot, or you can dig a hole and add your pond liner. Now the first thing we have to do is since we can't make our own beneficial bacteria, we have to build an environment that helps to make that for us. So what we're going to do is start out with sand, because that works as a filtration. It traps debris, dirt, and microorganisms that help to keep the water clear. So let's add the sand. It also works as an amphibian habitat because they like to lay their eggs and in the sand. Sand is also a habitat for microorganisms which break down into waste, and that adds nitrogen to the water. It also buffers the pH level, keeping it in a good range, for most aquatic life. If you're going to add goldfish, make sure the water is 2 to 3 feet deep. Rocks help to filter the water, so make sure you add pine pebbles or river rock to the top of the sand. Now all you need is just 2 more things and you will have a nice all-natural pond that will be worry-free of unwanted algae. You will need some type of water pump or airflow to circulate the oxygen. At the end of this video, I will list a step-by-step tutorial of what type of pump I use for this pond and how to install it, so make sure to check that out if you get a chance. Plants also release oxygen into the water, and they absorb excess nutrients that algae thrive on. So make sure to add those plants in and around the water. You can leave them in a pot or you can submerge the whole pot. It doesn't matter as long as you are providing that natural habitat. And so make sure to check out the videos at the end. I'm sure they will help out a lot. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.